Welcome to Singing with Ron! Another really great semi-occluded vocal tract exercise is putting your tongue between your lips. So if you kind of lift your chin, stick out your tongue, feel this, make this easy in your throat, and then bite your tongue gently. This exercise kills two birds with one stone. It helps you to relax your tongue, to get your tongue a little bit more forward, while doing a semi-occluded exercise. So, keep the sound forward in your forehead. And it helps you to keep your tongue wide and relaxed and out of the way.